3. Video number 3 is as simple as you think it is. It's not difficult. You got this. So what we're going to do here is this. We are going to go from standard form take from standard form to running into vertex form. All right. So this is what you do. First step you do is this. You take the last number, which is a C value, right? The last number, you push it out on the outside, meaning this. So x squared minus 10x, you push it out. You leave a blank right here. You push it out all the way, further away. It's like, man, we don't want you in the party. You're going to be away from us. Go away from us. All right, now, what you're going to replace for it is this. You see this this formula right here, b divided by 2 in parentheses and square. The b value is the one in the middle right here. It's the one in the middle with the x. In that case, b value is the negative 10. That's the b value. And the formula says b divided by 2 square. Well, here's what we're going to do. B is negative 10. You divide that by 2. Don't forget to square it. All right, let's continue. Let's do the inside parentheses. Well, inside negative 10 divided by 2, we get negative 5. We need to square that. When you square negative 5, it's literally negative 5 times negative 5. You get 25. All right, so this 25 is the one that goes inside the party right there. So plus 25. All right. But it doesn't just go there because I also need you to add it at the end. Okay. It's like it goes in front of the number you kicked out. It also goes in the back. But when you put it in the back of it, you have to write it in opposite sign. So when you go here, it needs to be minus 25. I know you're probably saying extra stuff. It's not piece of cake. So now what we're going to do is this. So first, you need to go ahead and box this. Box the first 3 numbers, like the first, like this one right here. All right. That's all we're going to focus on. We're going to try to factor that because factoring is something you have done a good job at. You're really good at factoring. You're so good that you took the skill check and you did really good. To factor that, the last number is the C. I'm trying to figure out what should equal to what should multiply to 25 but equal to negative 10, right? 2 numbers. So in my mind, I'm already thinking about 5 and 5. But to get it to negative 10, I have to do this. Because if I do that, I get 25. Check. Right? If I do negative 5 plus negative 5, I get negative 10. Check. So in parentheses, I should have, let me write it right here. I should have x minus the 5 and another x minus the 5 square, right? Oh, let me take off the square. Why am I doing that? I don't know. All right, cool. All right, next move. Y'all see this one right here? These guys right here. Well, that's when you bring it back to the game. So 13 minus 25, what does that make? Negative 12. Negative 12. All right, let's finish this deal. We literally done, y'all. Here's the next step, and this will close it all. So these two, you can just compress them or put them together because I have 2 of them, right? You just put a square right here. That only means that there's 2 of them. They're the same thing, x minus 5, x minus 5. You can just put a square on that, right? And then bring this down, minus 12. And ladies and gentlemen, that is my equation. I wrote it in vertex form. I went from a standard form to a vertex form. All right. So are you ready to try one by yourself? You got this. You can always come back to this video while when you're doing your other one by yourself.